What if I told you this isn't real? In a world where AI is evolving so fast that it's becoming almost impossible to tell what's real and what's generated, realism like this usually costs hundreds of dollars per video. But what if I told you you don't have to spend any of that? In today's video, I'm revealing a secret AI image and video generator that creates mind-blowing, hyper-realistic content without draining your wallet. Before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe and join my Discord if you want to be one of the first to get free AI news and tools. With that said, let's get into it. So, this is the AI tool right here, and from the get-go, you can see that it has really good generative capabilities. You look over here, you can see it has Veo 3, Sora 2, and it even handles consistent characters. Over the course of this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this AI tool to generate realistic images and videos. Okay, so in order to do this, just click on Chat Editor and you'll be loaded over to this interface, and from the get-go you can see that the interface looks really clean, and there's a prompt box here where you can type in the prompt of your choice. And if you click here, you can see there are lots and lots of models for you to choose from Seed Dream to Grok to Nanobanana 2, which is what we're going to be using in this video. Honestly, this is the best image generator out there. I'm just going to click on Nanobanana 2 and I'm going to refer to my PDF. This video, I'm going to be using this detailed PDF to generate images and videos. So if you're wondering how to get it, it's going to be in my Discord. Make sure to join, the link will be in my bio. So first thing I'm going to do is to copy the first prompt here. This is our text-to-image prompt and paste it in with Nanobanana, 2 selected. Just select the aspect ratio and image quality. You can take this all the way up to 4K. I'm just going to leave it at 1:1 and 2K because this works just fine. And heat generates and our image is being generated. Just give this a minute, and in no time our image is done, and it looks really good and lifelike. Honestly, this adhered to the prompts really well. The textures on her skin are perfect, and she's in a busy street. And honestly, if I wasn't the one generating this, I honestly think that is completely real because of how realistic it looks. And you can click here and download it straight into your device. Before we move on to the video process, let's generate one more image using this. I'm just going to clear this out. And once again, refer back to my prompt PDF and copy the second text-to-image prompt, which is this one, and head back here and paste it in. I'm going to leave the settings as is and hit generate. And let's see how this does. Okay, it's done. And if you take a closer look, you can see this looks really lifelike. It looks just like a golden retriever in a park. Honestly, Nanobanana 2 is the best image generator out there when it comes to realism, as you can see. The dog looks real, and you can download it by clicking here once again to your device. And now you might be wondering, now you have your images, how do I turn this into a video? So to do this, head back to the Home tab and scroll down. We're going to be using is the image video. So just click it and you'll be loaded over to this interface. And as you can see, there's an already set in place image for you to test this tool out. But I'm just going to be replacing this with the image we generated earlier of the woman, just like this. And if you click here over to the models, you can see that this AI tool has lots and lots of models, all the way from Grok image, Kling video, and even Kling 3. For this video, I'm going to be going with Kling 3. Because it's one of the best image to video generators out there. And as you can see here, it also has audio. I'm just going to select it like this and clear out this prompt. Once again, I'll be referring to our prompts guide. And I'll copy the image to video prompt here. Once again, if you need the prompt, it will be in my Discord. Head back here and paste it in. Make sure everything is set. If you click here, you can see you can take the quality all the way up to 1080p. And you can change the duration all the way up to 15 seconds. I'm just going to leave it as is and hit generate. And the AI tool begins to process our request. And honestly, I'm really intrigued to see how well this tool handles the image to video. I'll just give it a minute while it's generating. Okay, our video is done generating. Let's take a look. And wow, super realistic. No weird motion. No weird distortion. The textures on her face look lifelike. And if you look at the background, you can see they are walking in motion. And there's no weird motion, and it looks really, really realistic. Once again, you can click here and download it straight into your device. So now you know how to do this. Let's test out the consistent character feature of this AI tool. To do this, I'll click on the Home tab and scroll down and click on Lip Sync. And you'll be loaded over to this interface. And all you have to do now is to either upload a face video or upload a face image. For this, I'm going with this image of a woman sitting in a studio. You can even upload different faces using this AI tool, and it works really, really great. But for this, I'm going to use one face. You can see you can select up to 4 faces and hit Next. Leave the aspect ratio on original and click Next once again. As you can see, the AI tool has identified our image as speaker A. You can upload more images and there will be more speakers here. All you have to do is select a voice, and you can either use the text-to-speech feature or you can upload an audio of your choice. For this, I'm going to go with text-to-speech, and let's take a look at the voices that this AI tool has.
I must not fear.
Find a comfortable place to lie.
Hold on to your hat.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice?
Okay, Pope sounds just fine, so I'll select it, and you can type in the prompt. I'm gonna head back over to my prompt box and copy in this quick script and paste it in just like this. You can use the standard mode or expressive mode. I recommend going with the expression mode and hit generate. As you can see, it is currently free. Let's click on generate, and our audio is being generated. Let's give this a minute.
Hello, this is a quick audio test. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. 1.
Okay, that was really realistic. It sounded just like a human. You can regenerate here and it's still free. Click on apply and you can select the output quality. I'm gonna leave it at 720p and hit generate. And now the lip sync process has been initiated and it's being generated. Let's see how this does. Let's take a look.
Hello, this is a quick audio test. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today is a calm and sunny day in the park. Thank you for listening.
And honestly, the results on this is mind-blowing. It looks super lifelike, no weird distortion, no weird morphing, just pure lip sync. And the lip sync was perfect. You can download this by clicking here and it will be saved straight into your device. So finally, let's test out this AI tool's consistent character generation. Just click on it and you'll be loaded over to this interface. And honestly, this is one of the best consistent character generators out there. You can see there are a lot of presets and you can create a model of your own. To do this, just click on Build Your Character, and then you can either select Quick Mode or Training Mode. I'm going with Quick Mode and start with Description. What you have to do here is give your character a name. I would say Hope, and describe your character. I would say she is a young Latina female with bangs, and if you scroll down, you can select from these different styles. For this, I'm going with realistic, and you can either choose to drop a reference image or not. I am just going to leave it as is, and hit Generate Character. And the AI tool begins to build our character generation. This shouldn't take much time. Just give it a minute. And in no time, it has given us these beautiful images. All you have to do is select one of them. They both look realistic, as you can see. For this, I'm going with the first one. And I'll click on this, and finally click on Use in Consistent Character. And now our character is automatically loaded in here, and you can type in any prompt of your choice. I'm going to be referring back to our prompt box once again, and I'll copy this and paste it in like this. If you notice, our character is already highlighted here, so every image we generate will have the same consistent character, like I will show you in coming moments. Leave the aspect ratio on 1 by 1, and you can take this to HQ. I'm gonna take this to HQ and click Generate. Honestly, I'm really intrigued to see how well this AI tool performs with this, and our image is being generated. Okay, it's done. Let's take a closer look, and it has generated this image right here. And it looks really, really good. Honestly, this AI tool is truly, truly a beast. It's adhered to the prompts. She's sitting on a bench in the park, and the character is consistent and generate as much images as you want, and can also turn this into a video. By clicking here, I'll copy my prompts from here and paste it in. Once again, select the video generated model. I'll go with screen 3 and hit generate. Using this method, you can generate scenes across different clips with the same consistent character, which is good for monetization or AI model branding. Honestly, this is a game changer when it comes to AI. Okay, our video is done generating. Let's take a look. Once again, really realistic result. You can download it straight into your device. Honestly, this AI 2 is truly a beast. And that's it for this video. The name of this tool is Design AI. Make sure to check it out. Link will be in the bio.